Ako po si Felix Morauda, operator ng DTF on-gate dito sa Robinsons Sambaliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 49 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads, capping. Last na napalitan yung heads nito last year pa po nung October 2023. Head clean tayo, strong. Punasan ang capping after head clean. Head status. Ink system, tama lang. Leasing ng planinis every Friday. Ground wire. Ito naman ang mga use ink. Unused ink. Film 30 cm. Powder. Ito naman po yung weekly consumption. Nakagamit tayo nung first week's white with some powder. Inventory, manual, workload. Ito yung nagamit sa ink, white, yung solution, powder, resin, yellow, cyan, black, magenta, film. Ito po yung DTF weekly maintenance natin. Maraming salamat po.